Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking around this approved used Audi Q2 Black Edition 35 TFSI 6-speed manual. This particular model is finished in the stunning progressive red metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. This being the Black Edition, you do get multiple elements of the gloss black styling, including the front and rear badging and front and rear bumper elements. Under the bonnet is a 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine producing 147 brake horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. On the front we have the wonderful LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights underneath, offering you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. On all four corners you will find these 19-inch 10 Y-spoke alloy wheels finished in gloss black with a diamond cut finish to the rim, offering a lovely contrast to that red metallic paintwork and tying in nicely with the gloss black styling package. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened using the key fob or the button under the Audi rings on the boot lid itself. This reveals plenty of storage space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. The boot floor can be lifted up and down and the rear seats folded for maximum storage space. The interior is finished in part leather and part cloth for maximum luxury and comfort, with a bit of the matte grey elements there on the door cards. Both outer seats are finished with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat bottom S-Line multifunction steering wheel with Audi virtual cockpit, the new upgraded central touchscreen display and manual air conditioning. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top and are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable to your wants and needs using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right is your volume and voice control, some mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath is your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Underneath this we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle with multiple different drive modes available to you. With this car being fitted with the manual air conditioning, you have full control over the direction, temperature and speed of the air for your maximum comfort of you and your passengers. Thank you for watching this short video about the approved used Audi Q2 Black Edition 35 TFSI 6-speed manual in progressive red metallic, available at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to contact our sales team.